Hi, it's Richie here. One of the main questions I've had about the new Galaxy Note Pro 12.2 has been about the Touchwiz interface, how it's changed and what it looks like now compared to the previous version. So let's check it out. Both Pierre Gallioni and Michael Bonnet asked me to dig a bit deeper into the Touchwiz interface, so that's what this segment's all about. The new Galaxy Note Pro from Samsung has a fairly refined user interface, and I think it's very interesting and definitely shows the way forward for more serious tablet owners who want to get a little bit more from their devices. By swiping in from the right, you can select each app to place on the screen, and you can put up to 4 tiles. For where I sit, each window is still extremely readable, so it's quite possible to have 4 running at once. Maybe have a vid in one screen, a browser in another, email open, and the file manager. And I can actually copy and paste from one window into another. You can then use the pen window to draw a few more apps to open if you need to use them temporarily. And you can reduce those to circles if you minimize them for easy access if you think you might need them again. This is where the screen size really shines. Lots of space for real productivity. The other big software difference is in the widget tile style called Magazine UI. This is pretty cool and something that I do hope transfers across to the Note 10.1 in a future update. Swiping in from the left or by hitting the special object down here brings you into this customizable space with continually updating widget type areas. Now this is kind of like Flipboard with a few Samsung specific apps and productivity thrown in to give you continual feeds of interest. It's actually a really well designed overlay and suits the oversized screen of the Note Pro in a really effective way. And flipping through the Flipboard articles on such a big screen is almost tactile in the way the page flips with your fingers movements. It's actually the largest screen I've tried Flipboard on, and it's a really good experience. You can see here that you can auto-arrange your tiles by pressing this button to rotate through different layouts, or you can create your own. Now you can create up to 5 different windows with pieces of content dynamically updating all the time, even with access to Samsung apps. So what this Magazine UI has done is pretty impressive. It's actually taken the widget concept and perhaps some of the Windows 8 Live Tiles concept and made it into its own. Now if this is the future of Touchwiz, then I'm all for it. That's really all I wanted to show you, as I was really impressed with the multitasking and the Magazine UI as part of the overall way that you'd be using the Note Pro, along with the S Pen of course. Now, does any of this impress you? Let me know in the comments area below if you think this is the right direction for Samsung in their tablet area, and will this convince you to look at their new range if you're now in the market for a tablet. Can't wait to hear from you, and have a great day. Until next time.